In this video, I'm going to show you how to share password in Bitwarden. So the first thing you want to do here inside your dashboard, you want to go to the top left and click on where it says send. And then in here, you'll be able to basically send sensitive info, and that way you can basically share passwords. So you have to click on new send over here, and then you can select either text or file. So we're going to be sharing a password. So I'm going to click on text. And then here you have to give it a name. So I'm just going to name it password and then you can just do whatever you want here, and then this is the text to share. So here is where you can basically type in your password. So for example, I'm going to just type in my password, but of course for you can go ahead and type your password in. Of course you can do whatever you want here. I'm just giving you an example. And then here you can hide text by default if you want to, and then the deletion date is also required. You can do it, as you can see here, from 1 hour up to 30 days. Over here you can select whatever you want. I'm going to do 1 day for now. And then you also have additional options where you can limit views. So basically, no one can view this send after the limit is reached. Let's just do a limit of 2 times. And then you can also secure this with an optional password. So of course, if you want additional security, you can add that as well. I'm just going to remove this. And then here you can hide your email address from viewers too. And then you have the private note as well. If you want to add that, you can add that as well. And then that's pretty much all you have to do. You can just click on save over here. And as you can see, this is basically your text file. And over here, you can basically copy your send link. So you can just click on copy send link, and the send link has been copied. You can then go ahead and paste it and send it to someone. And whenever they open this, they'll basically be able to do it whenever they actually open it with the password that you've set. Okay, so that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.